We're gonna do a garden update because I have a lot of new things to show you guys. So for my peppers, my Guajillo Chila is so tall, producing so many buds. My basils are getting out of control. I've already harvested and dried a lot. This one jalapeno plant, not doing well. I don't know why, but anyways. My Chinese 5-colors are getting very tall themselves, and we finally have the flower opening. Lettuce, this one looks like it's probably starting to bolt soon. My carrots, you can actually see a little one right there. My blackberry bush does have a bigger pot and it's still putting out blooms. And we're actually getting little blackberries. There's one there, one there. My violas, I think they're eventually going to start crawling out of the pot, but I love them. My black-eyed Susans don't look so crunchy anymore. And we have so many. That's an ugly one. We're getting a ton now. My dahlias are looking better now that they have a little bit more sun access. And guys, we got my first Cosmo. We have another one gonna open soon. And then some more buds over here. But I'm so excited about this. I don't know why there's a hole in that petal that wasn't like that yesterday. My zinnias, I have a lot of yellow and red ones, not so many pink ones. So I'm excited for this one to open because it looks like it's going to be like a dark purple. We have another pink bud over there. I'm excited to see what other colors we get. And then that one looks pretty purple too. But I'm just so excited that all of my flowers are doing well, and I can't believe I grew them all from seed. The violas, the black-eyed Susans, the dahlias, the cosmos, the zinnias, like I'm just so proud and so happy to see all these flowers. I did move my chamomile over here behind the zucchini so it can get a little bit more sun. This is just temporary. Eventually the zucchini is going to grow and cover it. But we have 2 zucchinis. One right there and then one right there. So if you know how fast zucchini grows, they should be ready in like a few days probably. And then my cucumbers, y'all. I don't remember the last time you guys seen my cucumbers, but they were not trellising yet. And now you see how the tendrils grab on? And then you just kind of like train it to climb up. And we have some cucumber progress flowers.